Hi there, this is Doc Mountain and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually go live on Taka Live. So let's open Taka. When you happen to open Taka, the first tab that you're going to see is the one which is in the bottom left corner. And what you're seeing are the profile pics of the people who've gone live. So now for you to go live, you simply click where it says go live room, the green part at the bottom here. When you click there, it will load. So now for you to begin to go live, there is a certain level at which you have to be. That's what we call the reach level. So if you haven't yet reached there, you'll be asked to recharge. So you simply click go live. If you want to go live, you can go live. If you have to chat, if you check at the bottom there are two tabs, live and chat tab. You can click chat for you to just be chatting with people. Then there are seats there. You will say 4 seats, 3 seats. Okay, so here we go. We need to click there. When we click on go live, you'll be prompted to upload. You'll be prompted to upload the live cover photo. So you simply click the plus icon and you'll be taken into your gallery. So you simply have to look for a very beautiful picture. Very beautiful picture. Make sure you pick one which is clear, which is very clear. Okay, that one looks awesome, right? How about if we pick on the other one? Let's check how that one will fit in. Okay, let's try this one and see what it will look like. Okay, it's all the same. So let's just go by the first one. This one here, add. Okay, we'll make sure that our face is actually well set, and boom, we are in. Okay, awesome.